Okay, so we're gonna be testing out here the ikam mspro booted. I have it actually connected. Let me boot it up here so you guys can see how it looks. So it does that right there. You basically got to leave it on, it seems like, for a couple seconds so it can align. Preferably put it on somewhere stable, not moving it, so it can align by itself here. Let's see how good job it does. This is my second time I use it. Checking out all the balances and see how good it works, if it works like it's supposed to. Okay, it seems like that part is done. Now let's test it out here. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna be testing it out here. I have it actually I got it hooked up to a wireless mic that I actually have my I can actually hear it, so I'm not going to separate myself too much. But just so we can do some basic walking around and talking, and then we can check out this footage, see how good I balanced it. So far, this is my second try. So far, I like it. You can see if I move it, woo, get closer to me. It's kind of windy right now. So let's do a little run test. Let's see how that looks. Woo. Let's see if it how much it moves. Something, I'm not sure if I tighten everything correctly. I feel like something's moving, but we'll check it out right now. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and record these heavy machineries that I'm recording, and let's see what the footage looks like. Okay, I'm gonna do some up. One thing I do notice about this right here, if you do move it, let's say up or down, it has pretty much a cinematic type of move that you just gotta barely tap it and it'll move for you. If you hold it, it'll move really, really fast. I mean, I'm talking really fast, which could be good and it could be bad. That's for sideways. You can see it goes all the way this way. One of the things that I've been doing, that I'm recording now, I'm actually recording at 60 frames per second. I'm recording with my Sony A6300, but I'm recording with the 60 frames. When I record with 4K, it works good, but I have to go like really, really slow. Otherwise, my footage doesn't come out as good, clean as I want it to be. That's just my view of it. Check this out right here. Let's see that. And you can see here's what's a 3. All right, so that's basically my test, and we'll check it out what it looks like.